Welcome to Inbound Tutorial. I am Emma, and today we will focus on product literature and its importance within the inbound methodology. In this video, we will explore how product literature can effectively engage and educate potential customers during their buyer's journey. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. So let's dive right in. Before we discuss product literature, let's briefly understand the buyer's journey. The inbound methodology recognizes three key stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. At each stage, customers have different needs and expectations. Product literature plays a crucial role in addressing these needs and guiding customers through their journey. The power of product literature. Product literature refers to any printed or digital material that provides detailed information about a product or service. It includes brochures, spec sheets, user manuals, white papers, and more. Now let's explore how product literature aligns with the inbound methodology. Awareness stage. During the awareness stage, potential customers are identifying their challenges and seeking solutions. This is where your product literature can make a significant impact. By providing engaging and informative product literature, you can capture their attention and introduce them to your product or service. Consideration stage. In the consideration stage, potential customers have clearly defined their challenges and are actively researching different solutions. This is an opportunity to showcase the unique benefits and features of your product. By offering well-crafted white papers, detailed spec sheets, or case studies, you can educate customers about how your product solves their specific pain points. Decision stage. Finally, in the decision stage, potential customers are evaluating different options and preparing to make a purchase decision. Your product literature can play a critical role in helping them finalize their choice. Testimonials, user manuals, and reviews can instill confidence in your product, addressing any concerns and providing reassurance to potential customers. Maximizing the impact. To maximize the impact of your product literature, consider the following best practices. 1. Create visually appealing materials that align with your brand identity. 2. Use clear and concise language to convey key information. 3. Focus on customer benefits and address their pain points. 4. Make your product literature easily accessible through your website or digital platforms. 5. Continuously update and improve your materials based on customer feedback and market trends. Remember, the goal is to engage, educate, and empower potential customers throughout their buyer's journey. In conclusion, product literature plays a crucial role within the inbound methodology. By providing informative and engaging materials, you can effectively guide potential customers through the awareness, consideration, and decision stages, ultimately leading to increased conversions and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope this information helps you leverage the power of product literature within your inbound marketing strategy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Happy marketing! This video was brought to you by Inbound Marketing Tutorials. For more marketing insights and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Stay tuned for more exciting content.